Alright, welcome to Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues. So, I love to roast the chicken on my days off, usually but don't buy the cheap stuff, you know. I don't want to name any names at a regular grocery store, but go to like a Whole Foods or organic, and you taste the good organic chicken. It goes a long way, you know. It's a difference of $4 or $5, but when you got a better quality. And so I always roast it off, but it's like, you know, what are you gonna do with all the leftovers? So, you know, chicken salad, you know, you can make chicken soup, you know. But I always take the carcass and make a good stock. So this is what I did here. This is from my house, and I threw the onion peels in there, everything, and you know, nice the flavor of the roast chicken, the coloring, you know, for the excellent stock. It's all natural right there. So, well, I'm gonna show you a couple different recipes, but we'll do one chicken and sausage. Cacciatore. What am I thinking? My mind's not keeping up. So my tongue's not keeping up with my mind. So here's what we're gonna do. But we'll get the pasta going. So pretty much as soon as that pasta's cooked, this dish should be cooked. Okay, so we'll get that water going, a little spaghettini. A little bit of olive oil. So I'm gonna throw kind of a large cut onion. Yellow bell. Beautiful Orsini sausage. You know, cooked up, you know, we've already cooked that up, but you can do raw, it's even better if you can do it. I'll put one whole tomatoes, the canned whole tomatoes. I'm gonna put a little bit of chicken stock because I don't want to really get this too dark, but I kind of want to steam it up a little bit. Okay. We'll put a little bit of diced chicken in there. So I love a roast chicken versus a boiled chicken. Boiled chicken, all the flavor goes, you know, unless you're making a stock, you know, a soup, but put a little bit of tarragon. And homemade, I'm not going to use our homemade marinara. We're going to put marinara sauce like you make, you know, buy at home. But Rayo's, anybody out there knows how to get a seat at Rayo's, let me know. I'll buy the dinner. It's the hardest reservation in America. Pasta's almost ready. throw it against the wall. We won't do that here. Still a little al dente. I give it the sauce time to cook. How's that look? See, I love the whole mushroom.
Great.
So, you know, you can cook this up in advance too. Don't just wait, you know, we did it to order here in the recipe, but do a little bit, let that chicken soften up real good. Straight out the pasta. Al dente, don't rinse it. Nice dinner for your family and cook that within minutes. Nice roast chicken. Nice roast chicken. You know what? On a cacciatore, the flavor, I don't even like to put Parmesan. That's optional. That's it. Easy utilization of leftover chicken, sausage, with a nice cacciatore for the fall cold weather. Bon appetit. Peace.